You guys, it's been 3 weeks now since I've been running this EA that I wanted to share with you guys. I do have it available to watch on the YouTube channel. I'll just show you that right now here. If you go to the main channel page, you're going to see the small equity forex strategy live trading here, and that is simply this account right here. You can see we are short on the euro yen right now, and the balance is 350. The equity is 357 at the moment. It's up about 50 pips. And you can just look at watch the live feed here. $200 forex strategy. Obviously, you can put a little bit more in here. About 300 is recommended, maybe a bit more here to get little bonuses, depending on what they're offering at the time you sign up. This is the main master account here that I'm showing in this picture, and this is my account here as well. So you can see it's at about 45 pips at the moment. We'll pull back up the account here. And it does lag a little bit. So this is it. I'm going to show you here. Go to the account history. And I set this up on the 29th of July. So we'll do a custom report. I'll pull this up for you guys here. And you can see that I did a deposit of 200. From BTC, from my Coinbase account there, and the rebate was $22. Also, if you're not part of the community here for me, and you haven't subscribed or signed up to the YouTube, become a member and joining the cryptocurrencies, I recommend that as well. It's $5 a month, very cheap. And this is it here, $118 here in about 3 weeks. That's over 50% on the account, and we'll show you the equity curve here. If we save it as a detailed report, okay, and we come down, you're gonna see the deposit withdrawal is $222. Closed trade profit is 118. Balance right now is 350, and this is the equity curve since we got started here about 3 weeks ago. So very good EA here so far, and pretty happy with it. Obviously, you're going to be taking profits out of it on a monthly basis, or depending on how it does, maybe even 2 weeks. But take a little bit out, get rid of the initial amount that you put in, so that you're at least risk free no matter what happens after that. So and that way, if something does happen and the account goes the other way, at least you've taken out the initial capital that you've put in. You always want to try and become risk free on your account, and that way, if something goes bust later on, you can always start fresh. All right, but we're looking pretty good here. We'll take out some profits here in another week, maybe just over a week and a half, and then we'll just keep letting it ride here and take money out on a monthly basis. All right, you guys, I hope this video helps. Again, if you're not subscribed, hop up to the join button and subscribe, become a member, join the cryptocurrency, and we will talk to you guys later.